The passionate nurse, wetin happen? Why your face dey like?
I beg. Just leave na the mood where I want dey.
Hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well. The way they see like this, all cannot be well. Personal World Health Organization them, like Mama Iyabo and Mama Chukudi, don't finally reach Veronica doorstep. Begin dabaru am with nonsense information wey no get head.
This is serious.
Very serious. Oh. Very serious. Na hospital case sef. Because from what I know, aboniki is to be applied tropically, meaning on the skin, not inside. Okay, we can assume say she won't even put am inside the nose now. She fit put am for here, so that if Junior dey inhale am, all the heat and everything, he go dey alright, everything go melt. But no, she dey follow them, say them no talk, say this one can't talk, say. Veronica, I don't know if I dey warn you, abi I dey tell you, just choose anyone wey you like. But now, before I close my eye, do like this, open up, you don't begin carry Junior go hospital for proper diagnosis and treatment. Because I don't know try to see your life.
No, some people then to do.